Obwensi yona erikwemura kirekiro kya mizeri izoba abatura bahigwa okurinda ebyobuhangwa ebiriyo nibiwerekerera ekirikurigiriramu n'empindahinduka y'obwire.
No water, no life. So what we expect from the public? The public is to conserve water wherever you are. We have our main river, which is River Ruizi in Mbarara, which is very, very key for us. And we are appealing to all the people who are living around River Ruizi to protect that river jealously.
Okushaba oku kwahebwayo ari kukurira factory ya Nile Breweries ahabwambarara obu yaba nakwasa tanka ya mizi abeegi abashomesa hamwe n'abazaire abambarara Mixed Primary School nka gumwe aha muringo gw'okukwatiraho abaana abaine oburemu aha mibiri yabo.
Here on a very exciting day as we commemorate and also commission the tank which is behind me here. The capacity of the tank is 10,000 liters, and the reason we chose this site and this school in particular is because of the children with the special needs.
And so bringing here this water, a pupil with special needs will be able to walk and also get water from there, and they will also benefit from that.
Abarukurra ishomereri bayoreka okushemererwa ahabo kushanga ngu abeegi abarukushomera ahishomereri nibaba nibenda eby'entengo byingi ebirimu n'amizi okubayonja ahabwe barukurabamu.
So turagira babine ba metro bari special kubaketaringa for medicine kandi babogeza from time to time because abana bato so umwana ahakuba yemerire ntakusheshe metro na yamushi. So at what atanga ngeji is assisting us now. So could reducing our cost ya Miziga National. So actually we are very happy.
Nile Breweries for giving us the tank. We are very grateful. Thank you for bringing the tank very close to us. It was very far for us to go there, especially for those with special needs. We really thank you and may God richly bless you.
I want to thank the Nile Breweries for considering Mbarara Mixed Primary School as their part in ensuring sanitation for our children.
Omuramwa gw'eriizooba ahabw'ensi yoona gwabaguri accelerating change to solve the water and sanitation crisis. Nde Michael Tumwachire abwa TV West agachenchwire.